Hi everyone, day 5, 28th Jan 2025. I am on time today. It was an excellent day. We got the bus yesterday and we managed, it was late, it reached late, but we managed to reach Prayagraj by around 1ish. But then the journey started. So it dropped us at north side of Prayagraj. So there is one side which is the Sangam side, which has the airport and the railway station and all of that, and then there is this other side. This is one bridge that connects it. One bridge which is accessible by car, which is shut for cars. No vehicles go. No vehicles are allowed from there right now. So anyways, going back to the place, then we had to walk around some 13-14 kilometers overall to reach the ghat. That's what people were saying. So we started walking and then took an auto which carried us for 1-2 kilometers, and then there was a block. Then we got down and walked again, and this kept on. And through the ghat and through all those I have a lot of videos and photos, but I don't really know how to edit and put it together to capture the journey. But let me see if I can ask someone to do it. Of course there are not too many, because we were walking and exploring, finding the place where we had to go, plus we had a train in the night and we had to reach this place also. But we reached at 1 o'clock, and for us to get to the Sangam, Triveni Sangam, it was around 5:30. But then when we reached over there, it was amazing. Guys, I don't know how my voice is recording. I'm sorry, I just interrupted my train of thought. But I'm at a train station and there might be a lot of noise, so please adjust. So, okay, coming back to the point, when we reached the spot, the Triveni Ghat, then we had to take a boat. So the boats were available, and we got a very nice guy who just took us, 3 of us. Yeah, they have their charges, but that's okay. He took us right in the middle of Triveni Sangam. Right in the middle. And we had such a beautiful time witnessing the sunset, praying, taking dip in the Ganga. It was beautiful. It was really beautiful. I'll actually try to see if I can make some kind of a collage or something of the photos a bit, and then I'll share them. I don't have many, but whatever few that I have. And then when we came out, we managed somehow, and we came out again we walked as per, my aunt has that fitness watch. So as per that, I think we have covered some 28,000 steps. 28,000. Never walked so much in my life, I think. But it was amazing. It was an adventure in itself, because we were not sure if we are getting to the Sangam, because roads were blocked. All the possible exits were getting closed, because tomorrow is a Shahi Snan of Mauni Amavasya. So that's why they are having a lot of strict rules here. They are closing things. That's why we had to also walk and then figure out our way to reach Prayagraj. We reached Prayagraj. We were right opposite the station, and then we are like, okay, we haven't eaten anything, let's eat. But we were in good time. So we sat, we had dinner, and we were so hungry. I think the food was finished in 5 minutes from the point it hit the table, literally. Anyways, we got out fatafat, and then we went to our gate, and then they are like, oh, this train is not going to leave from Prayagraj Junction, it's going to go from Subedarganj. So anyhow, we started walking again. We found a two-wheeler guy, and he dropped us, like usually what's happening over here. You can take lift and go from point A to point B, as much as what they can cover. But the guys are so sweet. There were 2 bikes, and They dropped us right till the final last point of where they could drop us to reach to the station. So I think it was really good. And after that we had to just walk some 100 feet to get to where we had to for the station, for the railway station. Right now I'm too tired. And as soon as I saw a place, our train is 2 hours late. It was supposed to be at 10:30, so I think it's going to be at 12:30. So now I am deciding to just take a nap, but I think I won't get sleep because it's really cold. I tried to cover myself, but it's not working. That's the freezing. But that's okay. All in all, the smile that was stuck yesterday on my face, it's still there. It is still as amazing, and I think this is, every time I shut my eyes, I can see the visual of the sunset standing at Triveni Sangam. I feel blessed. Can't explain how much. Can't explain the feeling. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I think that's all for today. Again, I don't. I mean, it was a lot of things that happened journey-wise, but I think this is all. It was beautiful. Beautiful. And thank you for seeing my videos. There are some views coming in for videos, and it's nice. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye-bye.